इटिनरी मतलब है प्लान्ड रूट और जर्नी, यात्रा का प्रोग्राम। अला इम्पीडी, डिले और प्रिवेंट समवन और समथिंग बाय ऑब्स्ट्रक्टिंग देम। अला imperialism, the policy of extending a country empire and influence. अला implication, the conclusion that can be drawn from something although he is not implicitly stated. अगला importune to harass someone persistently to do something. अगला impudent मतलब shameless rude, उद्दंड बोलते हैं। अगला inanimate मतलब lifeless object। अगला incite, urge someone to act in a violent or unlawful way। अगला indoctrinate, teach a person to accept a set of belief uncritically। अगला inaptitude मतलब lack of skill, ability or competence। अगला ineradicable, unable to be destroyed or removed। अगला infernal, relating to or characteristic of hell or the underworld। अगला inflict, imposing something unwelcome on। अगला initiate, cause a process or actions to begin। initiate। अगला साथ inquisitive मतलब having or showing an interest in learning things या curious। अगला insurgent, rebellious or opposing the authority, rebellious or opposing the authority। अगला jargon, a special word used in a profession। अगला jettison, to throw unnecessary or unwanted things from ship etc। अगला जीब, an insulting remark। अगला jingoism, extreme and aggressive patriotism। अगला jovial, cheerfully and friendly। अगला judgmental, having or displaying an over-like critical point of view। अगला juggler, a person who toss a number of objects in air and balance them। अगला jurisdiction, a fixed territory in which authority can be exercised। अगला jury, a body of persons appointed to hear evidence and give their verdict in trials। अगला juvenile, relating to young people, childish। अगला juxtapose, placing a thing beside another, contrast effect। kennel, a home for dogs। kiln, a furnace for burning and baking bricks, poetry etc। अगला kleptomania, a recurrent compulsive urge to steal। nail मतलब sound of the funeral bell। knot, a tangled mass in something such as hair or wool। अगला labyrinth, a complicated irregular network of passage or path in which it is difficult to find one's way, a maze। अगला lackey मतलब a person who obey or serve someone like a servant। अगला lagoon, a small salt water body separated by sea। अगला landscape, the complete view of a place। अगला lapidist, one who cuts precious stone। अगला laudable, a person who deserves all praise। अगला laxative, a medicine used to loosen the stuff in the balls। अगला lease, a legal agreement allowing the use of something। अगला ledger, a book of accounts showing debits and credit। अगला leer मतलब a shy look that is lustful। अगला legacy, the property left to someone by a will। अगला legend मतलब traditional, popular but unconfirmed story। lexical, relating to word or vocabulary। lexicographer, one who compiles a dictionary। lexicon, a word book or dictionary especially of Greek, Latin or Hebrew, the vocabulary of a particular language, field, social class, person etc। libel मतलब responsible by law। liar, an underground living place for big animal। libertine मतलब a person, especially a man who behaves without moral principle or a sense of responsibility, especially in sexual matter। अनैतिक एवं व्यभिचारी व्यक्ति। लिगामेंट, टफ टिश्यू इन जॉइंट, जोड़ों के बीच की मजबूत कोशिका। लिंग्विस्ट, वन हु इज़ गुड एट फॉरेन लैंग्वेज, भाषा विशेषज्ञ। लिक्विडेटर, ए पर्सन अपॉइंटेड टू बिंड अप द अफेयर ऑफ ए कंपनी और फर्म, व्यक्ति जो किसी कंपनी को बंद करने का कार्य करता हो। लिटर्जी, ए फॉर्म ऑफ पब्लिक रिलीजियस वर्शिप, सामूहिक पूजा की विधि। लॉजिक मतलब साइंस ऑफ रीजनिंग। लॉन्ग शोरमैन, मैन हु वर्क ऑन शोर लोडिंग अपलोडिंग शिप, जो समुद्र पर जहाज के सामान उतारने या चढ़ाने का काम करता हो। मतलब लोप, लोप मतलब रन और मूव विथ ए लॉन्ग बाउंडिंग स्ट्राइड, लंबे डग से दौड़ना। लोकोसियस टॉकिंग ए लॉट, बहुत अधिक बात करने वाला। लॉयल्टी, फर्म इन वन सपोर्ट और फ्रेंडशिप, मित्रता या समर्थन में विश्वसनीयता। लूनाटिक, ए मैड पर्सन, पागल। अगला लक्सुरियन, थिक एंड प्रोफ्यूज इन ग्रोथ, सघन हरा भरा। लिरिक, एक्सप्रेसिंग द राइटर इमोशन इन ब्रीफ एंड स्टैंजा, लेखक की भावनाओं को कविता के में व्यक्त करने वाला। लिटिगेंट, ए पर्सन इन्वॉल्व इन ए लॉसूट, मुकदमेबाजी में फंसा। अगला लोड, रिच सोर्स ऑफ समथिंग, किसी चीज़ का समृद्ध स्रोत। लूफोल, ए स्मॉल मिस्टेक इन एन एग्रीमेंट और लोड दैट गिव्स समवन द चांस टू अवॉइड हैविंग टू डू समथिंग, कोई छोटी त्रुटि जो किसी अन्य को फ़ायदा पहुंचाए। अगला लॉप, कट ऑफ ए ब्रांच, लीव और ट्विग फॉर द मेन बॉडी ऑफ ए ट्री, पेड़ से टहनी या कोई पार्ट काट लेना। लॉसी, वेरी बैड, पुअर और बैड, खराब या घटिया। मैचिवेलियन मतलब कन्निंग एंड स्कीमिंग इन पॉलिटिक्स, राजनीतिक षड्यंत्रकारी। माइक्रोस्कोपिक, विजिबल टू द नेक्ड आई, जिसे नंगी आंखों से देखा जा सके। मैदान, द फर्स्ट स्पीच मेड बाय ए पर्सन, व्यक्ति का पहला भाषण। मैलाप्रोपिजम, मिस्टेकन यूज ऑफ वर्ड इन प्लेस ऑफ सिमिलर साउंडिंग वर्ड। मेलचिविनिस्ट, वन हु बिलीव्स इन ए डोमिनेंस ऑफ मैन अदर ओवर वुमेन। मेल्यूवलेंट, शोइंग इंटेंशन टू हार्म अदर्स। Mammals, an animal of a class that is distinguished by the possession of hair or fur, the secretion of male by female for the nourishment of the young, and typically the worth of live young. Mandatory, required by law. Manic, मतलब an obsessive enthusiast, पागलपन की तरह कोई काम करने वाला व्यक्ति। मैनिफेस्टो, रिटन डिक्लेरेशन ऑफ गवर्नमेंट और पॉलिटिकल पार्टी। मैनोवियर, use of trick for personal benefit. Manometer, an instrument measuring pressure on a volume of liquid. Manometer, an instrument for measuring gaseous pressure. Mantle, a loose piece of clothing used without sleeve. Manuscript, a paper written by hand. Marsupial, an animal carrying young babies in pouch on the belly. Mason, a person skilled in cutting and laying a stone in a building. Massacre, ritual slaughter of many people. Materialism, giving importance to money and material things. Matinee, a cinema show which is held in the afternoon. Marsupial, of or based on kinship with mother or the female lion. मैक्सी, मतलब शॉर्ट स्टेटमेंट ऑफ ट्रूथ, सच्चाई वक्त करने वाली कोई कथन। मेज या लेवरिंथ, ए कम्प्लेक्स नेटवर्क ऑफ पाथ और पैसेज। मेडल, टू इंटरफियर इन समथिंग अनवांटेड, बेमतलब का टांग अड़ाना। मीडिएट, टू ट्राई टू सेटल ए डिस्प्यूट बिटवीन टू अदर पार्टी, दो पक्षों के बीच झगड़ा सुलझाने के लिए मध्यस्थता करना। मेडिकेट, टू एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर मेडिसिन, दवा देना। Medieval, belongs to the Middle Age, मध्ययुगीन। meditation, deep in thought। memoirs, memorable recollection of the experience of one's life। memorial, a statue or structure built in someone's memory। mendicant, beggar, भिखारी। mercenary, somebody who works or serves only for personal profit, also a professional soldier paid to fight for an army other than of his her or country। Metalloid, an element whose properties are in between those of metal and solid non-metal। Metallurgy, the branch of science concerned with the property of metal and the production and purification। Metaphysics, the branch of philosophy dealing with the abstract concept। Meticulous, one who is rather fastidious। Microbe, a living creature that is so small that it cannot be seen without a microscope and that may cause diseases। Millionaire, a person who makes or sells women's hats। La mimicry, a humorous imitations of person's activity. La mint, a place where money is coined. La merge, an appearance of object often simulating the appearance of water. La misanthrope, one who hates mankind. La misogamist, a person who does not believe in the institution of marriage. La misogynist, a person who hates women. La mnemonic, a system helping in remembering something. Mocktail, a non-alcoholic drink consisting of a mixture of fruit juice or other soft drink. La moderate, average in degree or intensity. La modus operandi, a particular way of doing something. La momentous, an occasion of great importance. La monastery, a building in which monks live. La monetary, relating to money or currency. La monk, a member of a religious community of men typically living under vows of property, chastity, and obedience. Monogamy, practice of having one wife or husband, ek viva. La monologue is a long speech by one person in a play or film, किसी अकेले व्यक्ति का संवाद. La monopoly, sole right to make and sell some invention. La monotheist, one who believes in a single god, जो किसी एक ईश्वर में विश्वास करे. La monumental, great in importance, extent or size. La moor, to secure a boat by attaching it to an anchor. मूस, एक लार्ज डियर, एक प्रकार का बड़ा हिरन. मूट, सब्जेक्ट टू डिबेट और अनसर्टेनिटी. La mores, customs and habit of a particular group. La morus, sullen and ill-tempered. La morphology, the study of form of thing. Mortal, subject to death. La mortgage, a legal agreement by which a person borrow money from a bank usually to buy a house. La mortuary, building in which dead bodies are kept for a time. La motel, a roadside hotel for mortuaries. Mummy, body of a human being or animal embedded for burial. Mystic, one who seeks oneness with God. La medieval, the lower jawbone in mammals and fishes. La manifest, become apparent through the appearance of symptoms. La maniac, a person who thinks that is likely to cause harm. La meritorious, deserving reward or praise. La means, cut up food, especially meat, into very small pieces. Miscible, liquid forming a homogeneous mixture when added together. La misogynist, a hater of new things. Moderate, average in amount, intensity, quality or degree. Mutineer, a soldier or sailor who rebels or refuses to obey the order of a person in authority. La namesake, somebody or something with the same name as somebody or something else. Narcissism, excessive indulgence to oneself. La narcotics, या opiate, नशीली दवा, a medicine for producing sleep. Nectar, the drink of the god, Amrit. La nemesis, a downfall caused by one's action, just punishment for wrongdoing. La nemesis, just punishment for wrongdoing. La neologism, coining and use of new word. Neophyte, new to an experience. La nepotism, the practice of giving undue favor to one's relative. La nepotism, giving undue favor to one's own kith and kin. Hard, a single-minded expert in a particular technical field. Neurotic, a person suffering from nervous breakdown. Niche, a hollow place in a wall for a statue. Nifty, particularly good, skillful, effective style. Nimble, quick and light in a movement or action. Easel, nocturnal, active at night. La nomad, member of a tribe that wander from place to place. Nomenclature, a system of naming things. Nonagenarian, a person between 90 and 99. Nonconformist, a person who does not follow prevailing ideas or practice. La nonentity, an important person. non-perennial, that which cannot be compared. La nostalgia, homesickness or sentimental longing for past. La notorious, one who is known widely but easily unfavorably. La nobility, the quality of being new and original. La novice, tyro, a neophyte, one who is new to a profession. La nuance, subtle difference in color, meaning, etc. La numb, to cause to feel no pain. La numismatic, collection of coin, oasis, a fertility watery plant placed in a desert. OVC, excessively fat. Obituary, a brief notice of death in the newspaper. Obligatory, required by moral or legal rule. Obscure, not clearly expressed, to make not clearly seen, अस्पष्ट या धुंधला. Observatory, a house making an astronomical telescope to observe natural phenomena. Obsidian, a hard, dark and volcanic rock of lava. Obsolete, becoming obsolete. Obsolescence, obsolete, a one which is not in use or dated. Octogenarian, person in his 18. Ode, a person in praise. Oleograph, a design printed in oil colors or canvas or cloth. Omnibus, a volume containing several novel or other items previously published separately. Omnipotent, one who is all powerful. Omnipresent, one who is present everywhere. Omniscient, one who knows everything. Omnivorous, an animal or a human being that eats any kinds of food. Opaque, that through which light cannot pass. Opinionated, strong and unchanging in opinion. Optimistic, one who looks at the bright side of things, somebody positive. Oration, thoughtful of influence speaking. Orator, one who speaks impressively. Orbit, an elliptical course of an object rotating around a plane. Orchestration, the planning of things in a situation to produce desired effect. Ordnance, artillery, a branch dealing with military service. Origami, a art of folding paper into decorative shape. Orphan, a child whose parents are dead. Orphan, a place where orphans are housed. Orthopedics, the area of medicine that treats illness of bones. Outcast, a person rejected by or expelled from society. Outlaw, a person who breaks the law. Obscene, a gesture expressing respect such as bow. Ostler, a person who looks after horses at an inn. Ostracis, banish or turn out of society and fellowship. Oust, expel someone from a position or place. Overwhelm, having a strong emotion effect on. Pacifist, a person who opposes war or use of military force, a person who believes in the total abolition of war. Pack, a group of foxes, dog, कुत्ते या भेड़िए का दल. Padre, priest or chapelian. Padri. Pain, a song of praise. Palliation, to lessen the suffering. Palpable, easy to see and comprehend. Paltry, very small or meager. Panacea, a supposed cure for all diseases or problem. Panchromatic, sensitive to all visual color. Pandemic, prevalent over a whole country or the world. Pandemonium, wildly and noisy disorder. Panjandrum, a person who has great authority or influence. Panorama, an unbroken wide view. Pantheism, belief of God in nature. Pantry, a place where food is kept. Parable, a story in Bible intended to teach moral lesson. Paranoia, mental diseases when people are afraid of other. La parasite, a person supported by another and giving him or nothing in return. La parole, to boil until partially cooked often before further cooking. Parley, discussion to reach to an agreement. Parlo, temporary release allowance on certain condition. La parsimony, extreme unwillingness to spend money or use resource. La partisan, someone who supports a person or something without any thinking. Paternal, relating to father. Patria, the male head of the family. Patricide, mother of a father. Patrilineal, inheriting or determining descent through male line. Patrimony, property inherited from one's father or ancestor. Pauper, one who has no money. La pedagogue, one who likes teaching. The pedant, one who emphasizes greatly on rules in study. Pedestrian, one who goes on foot. La pen, a home for pigs. Pen, a place where fence meet to keep animal. La peninsula, a piece of land surrounded by water. La pensive, deeply or seriously thoughtful, often with a tinge of sadness. La perennial, that which is everlasting. La periphery, boundary of an area. Perishable, that which get destroyed easily.